So the craft we will be working on today is our people paper chain. This is what it looks like. I have a little bit of marker on mine, but you can color them in to make them look however you want. That's the same on both sides. So now the materials that you need are going to be a piece of construction paper. I chose blue, but you can use any color. You also need a writing utensil, such as a marker, pen, pencil, or color pencil. And you will need a pair of scissors as well. Now remember, you can pause the video at any time if you need to. Feel free to pause it and take your time. So the first step is to take this piece of paper and fold it hot dog style. So fold it right down there in the center, crease it. Now you want to make sure you push down so that way you create a line when you open it back up. Now that I've seen it open, what you want to do with this line right here is you're going to cut right across that line. So I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut all the way across this line. So now you have two halves. You can choose whichever one you want. I'm going to go with this one. Now with this piece, what you want to do is fold it across. So I'm going to take this side over here and fold it to the other side. So it looks just like that. And I'm going to push together this one. So it's going to create a crease. Now it looks almost like close to a square shape. So from here, you want to do the same thing. Take the right side, fold it over to the left, and then push that paper down again to make another crease. Now we are going to do that one last time. So take the right side, fold it over to this side, and you're going to make one last crease. Try and make sure these are as straight as you can get them. So now you have two sides. If you're looking at it like this, you have the side that opens and the side that does not open. This side that does not open right here is the side you want to draw from. So when I say that, I'm going to draw my person into that. So I will go ahead and show you. I'm going to go ahead and start drawing my person. First, you draw the head. So that's going to be a half circle. You don't want to finish it off. So the head should look about like this. If you need to pause the video right now to go ahead and draw that, feel free to pause the video and then come back to the next part. Now the next piece is the arm. So I am going to draw a straight line out to the edge and another line right below it. So it's going to look like this. Now make sure that you leave this gap right here because this is where the body is going to go for the paper person. The next part is the body, which is a straight line. Do not go all the way to the bottom of the paper, just go close. So look a straight line just like that. And the last piece is the leg. So right where this line ends, you're going to draw a line that goes all the way out to the edge of the paper. So it'll look about like that. And right below it, another line that goes all the way to the edge of the paper. So it should look like a half a person, just like this. Now we are on to the last step. So once you've reached this part, make sure where your person, where the inside of their body is where the crease is. That way, when it cuts, it looks correct. Because if you open it up, it would make a full person. So from here, we're going to get our scissors. Let me put this marker away. And we are going to cut along the lines. That way, we cut out our person. So first I start at the bottom. I cut out what is underneath the leg right there. From there, I cut out the middle portion here. So I'm going to cut where the leg and the body is, and the arm right at the top. So now you've seen this part is cut out. So we're going to move up to here. Now this part sometimes can be kind of hard to cut around, so feel free to take your time. So I like to start from the top and just work my scissors around it. And now the top of the arm. So now I've cut out all of this. And what we are going to do is we're going to start opening it up. So you open it up, you see it makes a full person here. We are going to keep opening it up. And now we have our paper chain. All right, I hope you enjoyed. Have a nice day.